Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Rclone and preparing Google OAuth credentials. These are required to avoid manual token juggling. Once done, open a terminal and run Rclone config to create a new remote called G Drive. Choose Drive as the storage type, paste your client ID and secret when prompted, and authorize Rclone in your browser. Make sure to set the correct scope for full or read-only access, and pick Automatic Config unless you need headless authentication. This gets you ready to transfer files securely. Now you decide whether to mount or transfer. If you mount, run Rclone mount G Drive /mnt/G Drive with appropriate flags for caching and backgrounding. This gives immediate file-like access. For uploads or syncs, use Rclone copy source /G Drive folder or Rclone sync with transfers 4 and checkers 8 to balance concurrency. Adjust drive chunk size to 64 M or 128 M for big files, and set buffer size to prevent memory spikes. Once configured, run a small test folder to confirm speeds and behavior before bulk operations. Finish by validating your transfers. Run Rclone ls.json and Rclone check to compare source and remote. Once satisfied, automate the task with cron or a systemd timer and secure your Rclone. Conf file with file permissions. If you hit quota, rate limit, or permission errors, inspect the exact error and retry with drive server-side across configs, reduce concurrency, or refresh OAuth tokens. One troubleshooting tip: if transfers stall, run Rclone with VV to capture detailed logs. That often reveals missing scopes, expired tokens, or API throttling, so you can fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.